Okay. Put the bolt in the hole.
A bit higher.
There you go, buddy. There you go. Atta boy. Okay, let's put the wrench on. Now, put your hand on the wrench. You got to put it around the handle so you can pull the buttons. You ready?
Set. Go.
Let's get your finger on the button.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, harder.
I tried to get my finger over there.
1, 2, 3.
Turn it, hold the tractor up a little bit. I gotta get his hand around the wrench. Okay, now we can run it. Now we can run it. There, get your finger.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. There it goes.
Look, you're putting the bolt back in.
It's in, Dane. Look what you did.
Now, what do we got next?
One.
We gotta put another wheel on?
Uh-huh.
This wheel? Okay. Put the bolt in the hole. Oh boy.
Go.
Okay. Put the wrench on.
Hang on. Help pop pop.
And your finger. We're gonna take your finger and push the button.
You gotta say 1, 2, 3. Oh, well, there it goes. Good job.
Oh, we're all done. Yeah. We're all done putting the tractor back together, see? All the parts are back on the tractor. So now we put the tractor.
Take it off. You want to take it back apart? You want to do it again? Okay. Hey, Grandpa, he wants to do it again.
Really?
Look at that smile. I don't know. Is Grandpa going to undo your knees? How about your belly? Oh, you want to work on the truck, not your belly, right?
Okay. Let's take this wheel off. Ready?
You want to hold it?
You want to hold the wrench? Okay. Here you go.
Here, so you can see it.
Here comes the bolt. Okay, take the bolt. Atta boy.
You got to take the wheel off.
Pull the wheel off.
Good job with both hands. Look
even.
at that. Good job, Dave.
All right.
Very nice.
Good job.
You
Now
did it.
Now we have a 3-wheeled loader.
You want to do another one?
How many wheels are on the loader now? Count them. 1, 2, 2, 3. So it has 3 wheels on it now?
You want to take the back one off, Dane?
So you ought to make it so it has 2 wheels on it? Okay. We're going to do 2 wheels. Here we go.
You see it?
It gets too tight sometimes. Oh man, we didn't even take that one off yet. Okay, here we go.
Here it comes.
Okay, take the bolt. Yep, go after the wheel.
Both hands. Both hands. You can do it. That's a good job.
Okay, we got the wheels off the loader now. What are we going to do, boss? Are we going to put them back on? Okay. There you go, put it back on. Here you go. That's what I have to. Right there. Where's your bolts? Where'd you use your bolts?
One.
Here, take the bolt in your hand. You gotta put the wheel on.
That wheel? You want to put that wheel on?
You put the other wheel on too? Without a bolt? Without a bolt? If we don't put it on with a bolt, it'll fall off. Watch. Ah! Ah, my wheel's falling off. Ah. Okay, let's put the bolt in. Okay, put that wheel on. You know, it's hard to lift. This one has the same problem working on motors. There we go. Where's your bolt? Right down here? Okay, put it in your hand. Put the bolt in. In the hole. Right? Yeah. Alright. Now, do we need a wrench? Okay. Here comes the electric wrench. Ta-da!
Can you say 1, 2, 3 and go?
Okay, put your hand on it. You're gonna push the button. Push the button right up there, that one. Okay, here we go. That's the on button. You got another one. Look at that loose wheel. See how loose the wheel is? My wheel's falling off. My wheel's falling off. Help me. Help me. Dane, put the wheel back on. Ah. Now, here it comes. It's all put back together and it's going to scoop up your bunny rabbit. Here it comes. Here comes the loader. And it's going to go. I like bunny rabbits. And I scoop them up. See?
Hey, wait, I got a loader operator.
See? It's a bunny rabbit scoop. Have you ever seen a bunny rabbit scooper? Okay, where's the bunny rabbit go? In the pile of bunny rabbits?
Here's the operator.
Let's start, man.
Okay, we're going to put the bunny rabbit over here.